Next. We are doing baptized today. I baptize you today. You know the Father and the Son. Next. Jesus. I baptize you today. In the name of the Father, the Son, the rest. Your father there.
We don't even believe this about baptism. So now we start baptizing the two persons water like this.
No believe and live now. Now we go kill you for there. Never say they come baptize now with fire and Holy Spirit. Now your mind go day. Now come on for Rojo. I don't fear Jesus. Master, now you will baptize me today.
No, I be John the Baptist. You will baptize me.
Okay, as you say.
John,
Master,
where is the bed that my father sent to come and sit on my shoulder after my baptism? When I go find the bed, come now.
we'll go find that bed.
Go find that bed. What I do now? What I do?
Follow us.
Tell us I go. How did you move?
Follow us.
What I do now? I do now.
Master, the bed where you say we'll go find. Now this man kill him.
I ain't kill
See
him.
him, he kill him, see him catapult.
Jesus!
Hey!